piece. I want to show y'all this tincture that I created. Basically, I've got both of these recipes from Yaki. Hold on, let me get one of the other ones real quick. So, for the first one, I was taking this. I got this from Yaki Awakened. And basically, this is like what it says, brain fuel, strengthens the mind, body connection, but it's really for focus, concentration, memory, enhancing your brain power, right? So, as you can see, I killed it, the whole bottle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these herbs here, and I'm going to make my own capsules. These are really small capsules, so I had to take more of them, but I really want to get like larger size capsules. But this is what I have for right now, so might as well use them. So yeah, that's one of the things that I'm gonna make. Also, Dulse. You can go to Star Wars Botanical and you can get 10% off using my code off any herbs that you would like. But Dulse is really, really good for it's high. It has, some people say it has B12, some people say it doesn't, but whatever. High in B12, high in iron, high in damn near every single mineral and vitamin that you need. Damn near. It's very nutritious, really, really good for you. So I also make Dulse capsules. I was making Dulse capsules individually, but I think I'm gonna just add the Dulse into this mixture here for the brain herbs, and I'm also gonna add some eye bright. Put some eye bright in there for the eyes, eye health or whatever. So it's gonna be a mixture of these brain herbs, Dulse, and eye bright. And I'm gonna take that daily for a certain period of time, see how I'm feeling, what the effects are. And I'm gonna put them in these capsules and then put the capsules in here, which is what it was Dulse in here. So yeah, put the capsules in here and take this as a supplement daily. As far as iron, so I'm low in B12 and I'm low in iron, and I am plant-based, so maybe that's the reason. But yeah, I have this tincture bottle here, and basically I'll just squeeze it and take about two dropperfuls 3 times a day. Got the recipe from Yaki, but I tweaked it a little bit. There's nothing in here now, obviously, but I made a giant jar of the tincture. Made a giant jar of the tincture with all the herbs in here. Distilled water. You'll have to really do your own research to see the measurements or whatever, but distilled water, foolproof rum, and I mean like foolproof Jamaican rum from Jamaica. Like, I actually traveled to Jamaica and brought the rum back with me type. So yeah, foolproof rum, distilled water, and all the herbs for iron and cleansing the blood. I have Burdock root in there, Sarsaparilla root, and also if you're using, I believe it's called non-heme iron, which is basically plant-based sources of iron, you have to combine it with vitamin C in order to fully absorb it. So I put Camu berry in there. Camu berry is supposedly one of the highest sources of vitamin C. So there's Camu berry, there is Sarsaparilla root, Burdock roots, there is Contribo, milk thistle, some other herbs I can't remember, but the recipe, I got the main recipe from Yaki Awakened, and his iron phosphate tincture, and I just added Camu berry for the vitamin C to help with that, to help with the absorption of that. So this tincture, it will literally cleanse your blood out of all toxins and parasites and diseases, whatever the case is, cleanses out your blood and provides you with all the minerals and nutrients that you need. Very, 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 very bitter. So just imagine taking a shot with bitters in it. Like, when I say bitter, I mean disgusting. But it's not as bad as wormwood. I can give you that. Wormwood tastes like shit on a stick, but this, much better. So yeah, those are, as for vitamins, that's what I'm taking because that's what I am deficient in, iron and B12. But I'm also taking vitamins for my brain health because I'm learning a lot, and I want to make sure that my brain is absorbing and able to process and create new neurons for myself and be operating at its highest functions. So that is why the Dulse, I use that for like an all-purpose. Just think about sea moss, right? Sea moss is really, really good for a whole lot of things, a whole lot of minerals and stuff like that. It's a seaweed, it's an algae. So this is what Dulse is. Dulse is like a seaweed, just like kelp. Kelp is really, really good. Bladderwrack is really, really good. So Dulse is just another part of that. It's in the same family. So yeah, that is what I use for like daily vitamins. But outside of my supplements and vitamins that I create myself, also like I like to get the herbs powdered already. But if not, you can just get them in a blender and do it yourself. I also have a video of me making this tincture, just me mixing it around really. I'll see if I can embed that within this. I actually probably won't. I hate editing, so I probably will not embed that in the video. I may put that in a whole other video separate from this. But yeah, that's what I take for vitamins and supplements. As you can see, I need to go ahead and strain some more of the tincture for this and go ahead and make some more capsules. But I need to go re-up on some herbs so that I can make my capsules and put everything that I need in there. I do have a whole collection of herbs. Let's see. I got a whole collection of herbs here. I mean, these jars go all the way to the back of this thing. Herbs, and then here's some more Dulse. Here are some herbs that I mixed together, but like a dummy, I didn't put the label on there, so I have no idea what's in there. Lesson learned. I also have another jar of the tincture as well. So, yeah, we're not running out of iron, ever. Got bags of herbs. I got herbs everywhere. So, yeah, that is what's going on with that. But with that, I feel like when you're taking herbal supplements and herbs and things of that nature, I think that it is very beneficial that you have a plant-based diet with it. Plant-based diet, raw diet is what I really mean. Raw, plant-based diet. And drinking a lot of water. Like I go to the spring and get my own spring water. It's like one of my first videos for real. I have a video of me going to the spring and actually collecting the spring water, showing you how I do it, and you know, the one in Atlanta, but also, well, it's not in Atlanta, but it's like an hour from Atlanta. And also showing you how you can find a spring near you in whatever city or state you live in, country you live in. I don't know if it's in other countries, I can't remember, but yeah, whatever state you're living in, you can find a spring that's closest to you and do the same exact thing. But other than that, yeah, drink some real spring water, eat you some fresh fruits, some fresh vegetables, some nuts, some berries, some seeds. You know, hydrate your body, because your cells run on oxygen and also sugar. You know what I mean? Like, you're a sugar being, literally sugar as hell. You create energy with the sugar and the glucose and all of those things. So you need, and when I say create energy, like your cells have to produce ATP, which is basically energy, has to produce ATP in order to operate. And your cells, they operate in different things. You have brain cells that help communicate with each other, to help you move your body, to help your heart beat, to help you breathe, to help you blink, to help you think and process, to help you memorize things. You have liver cells, you have lung cells. Like your lung cells will help you to push out the carbon dioxide, and every exhale and inhale the inhale the oxygen, and use the oxygen for your blood and circulate it everywhere. Work with your heart. I mean, you have bone cells to help you grow and help you whatever the hell. Like, you have cells for everything. And these cells can't do their jobs if they don't have the energy to do their jobs. And the best way to provide these cells with energy is with the 4 organic molecules, or macromolecules, which would be carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and what's the other one? Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. But yeah, like, your body naturally creates the protein. So I don't really think that's much of an issue, but I do want to do more research on it. Because everybody's talking about protein this, protein that, but I mean, our body naturally creates these proteins with the foods that we eat. So I don't know nothing about that, but we're gonna do some research. But all I do know is that carbohydrates is sugar and starches. So it's really, really good that you have those carbohydrates and stuff like that. The fruits and the veggies to really give you the energy and nutrition that you need. Even to absorb, it takes energy to absorb minerals and nutrients. It takes energy to move your body. Obviously, it takes energy to think. It takes energy to breathe. It takes energy to have your body function properly. It takes energy to have sex. It takes energy to work, to literally live. It takes energy because you are an energetic being. Once you stop being energetic, you're gone. You know what I mean? So like with the body, you know what I mean? So you need energy. So eat the foods that are highest in electricity, that will give you the highest amount of electricity and amount of energy so that you can perform at your best, think at your best, be at your best. And that is fruits and vegetables. And those will naturally give you the minerals and nutrients that you need, especially raw fruits and vegetables. But, you know, the tinctures and the herbs, that just comes and adds an extra boost, helps boost out and boost you up and boost the production and the, not production, well, maybe yeah, production, but boost the functions of your cells. So, I mean, yeah, this is good shit. It's good knowledge, good information. I really just want y'all to know, you know, how to become the best versions of yourselves and operate at your highest. Allow your body to operate at its highest, your mind, your soul to operate at its highest, and even higher than that, really, because there's no limit to how high you can go. So yeah, that's everything I have for right now. Just wanted to give y'all a little nutrition talk, but also let you know the supplements that I take on a daily. I'm really like bone dry right now. So today I'm like leveling up on content, leveling up on self-care, self-love. And as soon as the sun come back out, I'm gonna do me a facial. I think on Monday it's gonna be sunny. And I really wanna do me a facial with with my aloe vera and the soap that I use. I have a video that I posted that is talking about the different natural products that I use for my skin and my body. I told you that I use aloe vera, but I didn't like include that as an actual product. That is an actual product. The aloe vera plant is here. So that, and also calendula. Calendula is really, really good, but I'm gonna talk more about that when I do my facial, if I can remember, because I haven't been using calendula. I like to do everything in the sunlight. I'm like a sun baby. I'm a product of the sun. I mean, like literally we eat the sun. If we think about this, right? Let's really think about this. Melanin really operates just like chlorophyll in plants. Chlorophyll is what helps the plants break down the sunlight into energy during photosynthesis. We're talking about cells right now. We're going back to the cells. So plants literally take the light, the photosynthesis, photons. They take the photons, the light from the sun, transform it into energy so that it can grow, so that it can eat, so that it can be whatever it's gonna be, right? And that's the same thing that melanin does. Melanin. The same thing melanin does. Melanin takes takes the sun, all right, and absorbs the UV radiation. And this ain't no bad shit. This is good shit. We eat the sun. We literally eat the sun. That's why we get darker, because we're eating the sun. We're producing more melanin when we eat the sun, when we're in the sun. That's why we're darker, because we're producing more melanin, which is melanin. I'm gonna do a whole video on melanin. Melanin is the shit. When I tell you it's the shit, I'm gonna actually make that video right now. Peace.